The word polymorphism means having many forms. For example, in our daily life, a woman, she is just a mother in her home and she is an employee in her office, and she is a daughter in front of her parents. So in programming, the function with the same name but being used for the different purposes in different scenarios. So let's take a few examples for the polymorphism. We have a length function which obviously returns the length of string or any data type in Python. So if we use for the string polymorphism, definitely there are the 12 characters, so it will return the 12th length. And what if we use the same function for the list having the 3 elements inside this? So definitely we are using the same function, but we are getting the different output in different scenarios. So this is the polymorphism. This is inbuilt function polymorphism. So what if we define our own function, which is user defined function? We have a function multiply and we have the 3 parameters. Initially the z is set to 1. By default z is 1, and what this function does is actually it multiply all these parameters and return the collective multiplication output. So in our driver code, let's say we have given the parameters 2 and 3 in for the values of x and y. We don't need to give the value for z because z is set to 1 by default if we don't give a new value to z. So in this case it will simply multiply 2 into 3, 6, and multiply 1. So definitely we will get the output 6. And what if we give these parameters 2, 3, and 4? So z will be overridden here, and from 1 z will change its value from 1 to 4. So it will multiply x into y into z and we will get the 24. So this is the polymorphism, that the same function name but serving the different purposes.